In this video, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot Kindle app. If you're experiencing any error on your Kindle app, maybe the app is not working, it is not opening, some functions are not working well, or the app is too slow, or it keeps stopping, then let me show you how you can fix this. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, to fix your Amazon Kindle app, you need to access the app info page. To do this, just go to your settings on your phone, and if you tap on settings, scroll down to apps, and apps is here. From apps, look for manage apps or all apps. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. Using this search bar here, just search for your app by name and then tap on it. First, you want to force stop the app. This will stop any background activities that might be causing an issue on your app. Then go to clear data and choose clear cache and okay, and finally clear all data. This function will log you out of your app. Now you need to restart your phone, and once you have restarted your phone, if you open it, now you should be able to use your app without any issue. But should this not fix your app, then you want to check and see if there is any update for your app through Google Play Store or App Store, and as you can see, I have one on my end. Here you need to update your app to the latest version. By updating your app, now everything should be okay. But even after updating your app, if it doesn't fix the problem, then you want to uninstall the app and install it afresh, and now your app should be fixed. That is more especially if your app keeps on stopping. So if it keeps on stopping, it means it contains bugs. You'll need to uninstall and install it afresh. So let me know which of this was able to fix your issue. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.